Welcome back to Trading with CJ. Today we are doing a long overdue update on American Battery Metals, okay? Ticker symbol ABML, but it will be changing to become American Battery Technology Company. This is a stock, a penny stock that we spoke about around just over a month ago now, okay? It is a stock that I'm invested in. However, we've had some big bit of news within the last week or so which has seen this stock plummeting, and we want to get into all the details of this. If you appreciate all of these updates on these various penny stocks that we are covering, plus we'll be bringing some new penny stocks to you this week as well, please go ahead and smash a like and subscribe to my channel as well. That really is appreciated. So I spoke about American Battery Metals. I'm just going to say ABML on the Discord numerous different times. This is a stock that I've been adding to, and at this moment in time currently trade for $2.16 per share. And we look here at their share price just about a month ago now, 11th of February, we was around about almost touching $4 per share. So it has pretty much lost almost half of its value in the space of a month. And now that is, if we go back to the 1 month here, you can see it is down from 390 to 44% or almost 45%. Now, that's for two different reasons. One is the general market correction has seen a lot of these penny stocks, which are volatile, obviously come down. 44% is quite big. However, these penny stocks can really go up 20% plus in a matter of days. However, if we go to the last 5 days, we was touching 238 and we see a big old drop, okay? We see this drop down to around about another 20%. Just like that. Now that was because of this bit of news came out, and this was a short seller report by Spruce Point. Now I did read through this at the time when this came out about 5 days ago, something like that, and yeah, I immediately thought this is a short seller. Short sellers, okay, basically trying to get the stock price of a company down so that they can get a lot of money. Basically, that's what they want to do. They want to short the company. Not a lot of people like short sellers, and because it is quite damaging to the company. You see a report like this, a lot of investors will be like, oh, this is quite worrying. I don't want to invest into a company like this. Therefore, what do? They sell out their shares. And that's what happened. We saw ABML drop 20% just like that, all the way down to less than $2 per share. It has somewhat seen a bit of a recovery as of late, but I really don't think it should have dropped anywhere near that amount. And I think personally, in my opinion here, I'm not a financial advisor, always do your own research, but this right now at these current prices is an absolute steal. We see a lot of these short reports come out around this time. We've seen numerous within the last week, and they really do affect the company. So let's go into American Battery's response here. They admittedly denied the short sellers' attacks of false manipulative reports. Let's go into what they have said here. They said they've become aware of false information posted on March the 9th and the 10th. The company believes that the reports and videos were released as a coordinated campaign by short sellers to release false and misleading statements in order to lower the price of the company's common stock, which is a success because they did do that, okay? Because people are selling out because they are worried about this news, okay? However, they are clearing this up for us as an investor, which is what we want. The company believes that a decrease in the current stock price is attributed to the false allegations and misinformation. That will be the recent 20%, although we know over the course of the month it has still been on a downward trend, just like most similar stocks. This is an energy company. It is looking to recycle lithium ion, okay? And that is doing amazing things going forward. They're in the process of building their new plant, etc. We're excited about this one. You can check out our stock analysis video on ABML. I'll leave that in the link in the description. We're going to a lot of details on this company. This is merely an update on this short seller report and whether this is still a potential buy at these current prices. They've basically said here in their report that they have passed this over to a recognised law firm to investigate the matter and take available legal resource to protect our shareholders. They don't want this happening again, and it's amazing to see that they have really been defending themselves here. Like I say, Twitters, interviews and press releases. The company category denies the allegations. So let's go into some of the allegations here. There's about 4 main ones here that they went into. I'm just going to quickly cover these for you. So the first one was the market potential, okay? Authoritative and credible third parties have highlighted the potential for the lithium battery recycling and metal demand is significant. We have covered this before. There is an increase in demand for lithium and nickel, as well as the growth of lithium market that is expected to jump to nearly $60 billion by 2024. Just a few years away, ABML is currently a market cap of just over $1 billion, which is incredibly cheap compared to the potential size of its market cap. And it says here that this can be sold directly to manufacturers to tackle the growing consumer demand for EV. We know EV is the way forward. Cell phones, personal computers, electronics, and power tools. That use of lithium battery technology as power sources, ABTC, American battery technology company remains focused on the exciting progress we continue to make towards the opening of our first of its kind battery and recycling plant, which we are really looking forward to. Once that plant is underway, hopefully they can get more and more partnerships and really ramp up the production. Hopefully the revenue is going to start coming in thick and fast. They are saying that this has a massive market cap, okay? We see there 60 million, lots of different outsiders are reporting on this who aren't related to this company at all. The market potential for this is huge. I think we all know about the growing demand for EV in the next few years. And especially with everyone out there trying to get ways of being more energy efficient and the whole planet moving in that direction, this is something in a massive, massive growing field. So the next point here was allegations that the city of Fernley, Nevada, which is where their plant is going to be built, has no applications or permits that have been submitted to date on the land, which obviously would be a massive, massive blow because that is what we are all waiting for. We want this factory, this plant to be built. And they are saying this is false. Okay, in fact, the company has submitted the use of permit application in the city. Here is the City of Fernley's community development report outlining ABTC's conditional use permit application that is currently undergoing public review. So it has applied, we are waiting for the public review. Obviously, we are hoping that that is going to be successful. They anticipate before the city's planning commission and the council city in the coming months. Hopefully, we're going to get a very nice update on that. So they've completely denied that. We're not, once again, another short seller attack. So there isn't currently, this isn't been approved, although as you can see, the application is currently undergoing public review. Next one here is a report suggests that mis or malfeasance by linking the company to LODE and Comstock Mining. Now they say that whilst this is true that one of our employees previously worked at Comstock Mining, no financial or operational connection to either Comstock Mining, any suggestion to the contrary is false. Once again, incorrect. And then we have our last main point here they want to touch on, ABTC technology. The report ignores third-party endorsements by the government, which is big because the government are backing these companies, okay, and large private companies that ABTC has received for the substantive potential of its technology. First one here is BASF. We covered this massive, massive partnership in our previous analysis video. One of the largest manufacturers in North America has selected ABTC as the sole winner from a pool of over 100 applications. So they have this partnership now with BASF, which we did speak about before, and this report completely ignored all of that. And it's obviously going to be damaging for the company. The next one here is the Department of the Energy's Advancement Manufacturing Office, the DOE. And these selected ABTC for 4.5 million grant to involve the company's first of its kind lithium extraction system. That is going to be absolutely huge for this company. The purpose of the DOE's investment is to reduce America's dependence on imported critical materials by both diversifying the sources of materials needed for energy technologies and establishing domestic capabilities to refine materials. So they've got a big bit of grant there, 4.5 million, and then they have a massive, massive partner, which this report completely ignored. So they've basically fought back at this report. They're gonna go to a lawyer and, you know, try and get something from this because these short sellers love to put this out, and generally 9 out of 10 times when a short report comes out in a company, regardless of how true or untrue it is, the stock will fall because people just see what they have to see, okay? And if they can get the report out prior to the company, people are going to believe what they see first. So that is why we have seen a bit of a sell-off. Just wanted to do an update on that today because we are currently at $2.16. Would I be buying at these prices? Yes, I do think this is an amazing price. I am currently break even. I do not invest into a company myself to just walk away with a break even. I look to get at least 100% really on these penny stocks unless fundamentals or news changes around the company. Really, I want at least 100%. But this is a company that I think is going to be a bit more of a slow burner because it is in this energy play going forward. They need to build a plant. They need to ramp up production. This is very, very speculative. But I do think it has massive, massive potential and it definitely holds a place in my penny stock portfolio. That's my thoughts on this company. Let me know your opinion on ABML. Do you hold this one? Are you planning on investing? And if you can smash a like and subscribe to my channel as well, that really is appreciated. Thanks for watching and until next time.